Hello folks, this is Tasavvur with Only Gizmos. With the advent of smartphones and them being available in a wide range of price segments, it has virtually pushed SMS into being obsolete. Now there are a lot of chat apps available in the market. It all started obviously with BBM, and then we had the likes of WhatsApp, which has been excellent for not only exchanging text between each other, that too for free via GPRS or 3G connections, but also at the same time it allows you to exchange multimedia, including photos, audio, or video. So in today's video we are going to take a look at a new social chat app which is called WeChat, which promises to not only help you exchange messages between your friends along with the obvious multimedia options, but also at the same time bring together a lot of, or a plethora of options which would help you not only keep in touch with your friends but also socialize and have fun at the same time. So now let us quickly go ahead and take a look at what I am talking about, or rather let's go ahead and take a look at the WeChat app. Now I will quickly show you how the setting works here. So once you have downloaded the app and you have opened it for the first time, you would be seeing this screen first, and then obviously the setup options here. You can either sign up or use Facebook to get connected to WeChat. Obviously then you would be required to verify your cell or mobile number, enter a password or a verification code that you get on your phone, and you are all done. So what WeChat does is that it's a comprehensive mobile communicator, and it will help you send voice messages, share photos, messages with groups, so group chats, and yeah, it also helps you look around and shake, which are the fun features that I was talking about. We would look at how that works, and there's the video chat option as well. That's pretty much it, and this is how the UI would look. So now let's quickly jump into the actual UI here. Okay, so once you have contacts, once the app is loaded, you can see which of your friends in your phone book are using WeChat. You can add them, or Facebook friends perhaps who are using the WeChat app, you can add them as well. So once you've added them and initiated a conversation or a chat with them, this is how the UI looks or would look. And let me just quickly open up one of them. So here it is. So you can exchange text messages between each other, or as I had told you earlier, you can also go ahead and exchange voice messages or images. So you can click here and enter your text messages, or if you want you can add smileys as well. Let me just quickly click here. So you can see there are a wide range of smiley options available. Obviously when people use chat, they like to use a lot of smiley options. So there is everything. You do not have, there's no need for you to go ahead and download smileys separately. So that's another good thing about the app. There is obviously the option of adding emoji here, and there are other custom emoji art as well. Now the swipe option will bring down the keyboard, and you can also use audio or send across audio by just clicking here. So all I did is clicked on this, and now all I need to do is just hold to talk, so that once I'm holding this, whatever I talk will get recorded, and that will be quickly sent across to your friend. So all you have to do is just click here. Talk will get recorded, and that will be quick. Okay, so you saw that, and besides there is a small addition sign here. So let us see what it does. It allows you to exchange photos. use the camera to exchange videos with your friends and even location. So that's interesting. You can send across your exact location using GPS to your friends. There is also the option of sending contacts to your friends, but then that is only the contacts you have on the WeChat app and not on your phone book. Now there is the video call option. You can quickly start a video call with anyone who has a compatible device here. Obviously his device needs to have a front facing camera, or at least a camera on the back, so that you can both do a video call with each other. And there is an option right at the top. Let me just quickly zoom out a bit and take you there. So this option allows you to add people to the chat, so it can become a group chat, and you can add a chat background if you have an already existing wallpaper to add to it, or a photo, or you want to take a photo and add it to the background. You can do that. Let me just quickly check. Here are some default wallpaper here, so it just quickly downloads the wallpaper, and then there you go, it gets added as a background. So that's another interesting option that you have here. Let me just quickly go to the contacts tab here. So these are my contacts, people who have WeChat on their device and they have added me. So you can use Facebook as well to add contacts. Now moving on to the next best thing here, which is the feature that differentiates it from other chat apps and which are the standout features for WeChat. The first thing is moments. What you can do here is you or your friends could add images in moments here, and those images would show up on this feed, moments feed. So if I add a photograph, as you can see here, I've used this photo and put it here. So this is available in the moments feed, which could also be seen by my friends who have added me in their WeChat app. And you can just click here to like or comment on the photograph. So it's kind of photo social sharing app where people can exchange photograph with all of the WeChat users or friends at the same time, and they can like or comment with each other. So that was moments, and here's the add contact. So you can use IDs to add, or the QR code, mobile contacts, Facebook friends. The official accounts is something I guess for personalities, actors, sport persons, etc., people who are there, and perhaps those might be the official accounts that WeChat is actually talking about here. So people can follow them on moments. Now there's this very interesting look around option. What this does is that it makes use of the GPS on your device and finds people who are using WeChat app in your close locality. So here I can see we have a guy called Chirag who is only 200 meters away. There's Shinshan, which is 500 meters away. So there are people who are around you, and you can use WeChat app to find them and perhaps get in touch with them, or even make friends. So that is another interesting feature that we liked a lot. And obviously there is a lot of customization as well. You can view females only, view males only, or you can view them all and exchange greeting messages between each other. So it can also help dating for the lonely people. So there's this look around. This is how basically it works. Now let us quickly go ahead to the next option, which is the shake option. Now this is another interesting and fun application. All you have to do is shake the device. So it quickly starts looking for people who are online and brings up a person randomly, and you can just view them up, and if you want you can send them a greeting. But then interestingly, WeChat app seems to have a lot of Southeast Asian users, and as a result you can see it is perhaps a Chinese language. I'm not sure. Last but not the least is the drift bottle option, which is also something very interesting. You can throw a bottle into the ocean and along with a message. So all you have to do is just use the hold to talk button, and whatever you are saying is obviously getting recorded, and it is recorded into the bottle and it's thrown back into the ocean. Now as you can expect, that since you are able to throw the bottle, someone should be able to find you. So this is the pick bottle option, and a bottle pops up and you can perhaps go ahead and read a message from someone. Just again, once again, like I told you earlier, that there are a lot of Southeast Asian users, and hence we have a slightly Chinese user here. So unfortunately I can't decipher what they are stating here, but then that's cool, right? Okay, so I'm just going to throw back the bottle because I can't decipher what they're saying. So there's my bottle, and someone has sent me a message stating hi. So that's very interesting. See, so there's someone from Malaysia and they have sent me a greeting, so perhaps I would reply to them later. And let me just quickly see if what this brings up. So you can edit your profile photo and show bottles in chat, which is also on, and I can see them. And now the last one, which is settings. This would obviously allow you to take a look at your profile and change your image, your account, everything related to your account. You can add Facebook as well, which I have already added. There's address book matching, allowing you to zip through your mobile contacts in order to see if anyone is using WeChat app. There are other general options that you have, options for notifications. You can customize it as per your liking. So there are some plugins here. So the look around, the drift bottle, the shake option, the Facebook, moments, video call are all plugins which you can install or uninstall as per your liking. There's one which we have uninstalled here. So these are the options, and this seems pretty impressive because it tells you that there are a lot of plugins which can be added to the WeChat app later on. Thus the WeChat app actually promises to be a lot more fun and chat friendly in the future because of the possibility of all these apps or plugins which can be added to this app. So WeChat app not only allows you to actually text or exchange multimedia messages along your friends, but also helps you find out friends, or let me get a bit cheeky here, it might just help you date as well. So that was the WeChat app review, and this is the server with only gizmos. Thank you so much.